This is one of the best decisions that I could make for myself.
I was depressed. I was bloated.
Started seeing the scale go up and up and up.
The effort I was putting in, I was getting no results from.
I saw a picture of myself and I'm like, I am not who I am. Like, this is not me.
I was stressed out, I was anxious, I wasn't sleeping well.
I wasn't taking very good care of myself.
Always felt tired. I obviously was overweight and I had a fatty liver issue.
My belly was getting bigger no matter how hard I tried.
Eat less, exercise more. It just doesn't work.
I didn't have the focus or the skills to know where to start.
This program was definitely the answer that I was looking for.
My results have been incredible.
It helped me understand my body.
My body just works now.
I was like, 10 pounds would be nice. I lost more than that.
I lost 30 pounds.
But more importantly, I feel good.
Not only did I quickly lose all of the weight,
It has given me my life back.
my gut health was restored.
I have made massive transformation in 3 months.
I started sleeping like a baby.
I just don't understand what you had been missing, and that's really what it is, what I'd been missing in my life.
It's an awakening.
And I have so much more energy, which is great.
And I just feel freedom around food that I really haven't felt probably ever.
I'm happier. I experience more joy in my life.
What do you have to lose besides weight?
I also benefited emotionally and mentally and spiritually.
Take some time and say, am I worth this investment? Yes, I am, and it's worth it at the end.
I bounce around in my cute outfit because I feel cute. So you can too, and I hope you will.